Lazada flash sales tip: how to beat the rush. Hey guys, in this video, I'll teach you Lazada flash sales tip: how to beat the rush. First, open your Lazada app and log into your account before the sales start. This saves the time during checkout. Next, tap the sale banner on the home page. Then find the flash sales section and tap it to see upcoming deals. Before the sales begins, tap the product you want and add it to your cart or wish list. This helps you check out faster when the price drops. Make sure your delivery address, phone number, and payment method are already saved in your account. For example, enter your phone number like 09123456789 and complete address before the sale starts. When the countdown timer is almost finished, stay on the product page and refresh the screen when the timer reaches 0. Once the new price appears, tap Buy Now immediately. Popular item can sell out very fast. After that, apply your vouchers, free shipping coupon, then tap place order right away. Also use a strong internet connection because slow internet may delay your checkout. If one item sells out, quickly go back and check similar products in flash sale section. Short tip: be sure be ready 5 minutes before the sale starts because the best deals usually disappear first. So there you go guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.